Today, we will guide you through the installation of Emecole Metro's Emecole Crawlspace encapsulation system to protect your home from moisture, toxic mold, soil gases, and harmful airborne allergens. This will help you create a healthy, energy-efficient home. Note: check with your local building authority for code requirements or permits before doing any repairs to ensure you comply with local or state laws. Today's project will be for a crawlspace with a concrete floor. The required supplies are 90 mm Emecole crawlspace liner, double-sided seam lock, radon shield G2 caulk, button fasteners, clear, white, or aluminum seam tape, and a caulk gun. These items are available to contractors for purchase at emecoleshop.com. For this job, you will also need an electric hammer drill with a 1/4-inch concrete drill bit, a hammer, a measuring tape, a wet-dry shop vacuum, gloves, a mask, knee pads, and a utility knife. Preparation: clean out all debris from the crawl space, including any stored items, tie up loose or hanging cords, and clean cobwebs or dust from the walls and floor. If installing drain fabric, install it once the walls and floor are clean. Wall liner installation: roll out the liner along one wall with the foil or white side facing up. Install the foil side facing out to reflect heat back into the crawl space. Install the white side facing out if a bright, clean look is desired. If you choose to cut the liner when going around corners, be sure to make your cut at least 12 inches past the corner to leave room for the next piece of liner to overlap. Starting from one corner, lift the liner up and hold it against the wall, leaving at least 6 inches on the floor. This is where the floor liner will be taped. Place the top edge of the liner as close to the top of the foundation wall as possible. Do not cover the wood sill. Check local codes, as some states call for a termite inspection strip to not be covered at the top of the wall. Attaching the liner: using a 1/4-inch concrete drill bit, drill a hole through the liner into the wall approximately 2 to 3 inches down from the top of the concrete foundation and liner, and 6 inches to 1 foot from the corner, making sure it is deep enough to accommodate the button fastener. Push in the button fastener, tapping it into place with a hammer if necessary. Continue drilling and installing fasteners along the top of the liner and foundation wall approximately every 4 to 5 feet. Once the liner is secured at the top, drill and install fasteners at the bottom of the wall, in line with the fasteners at the top and about 6 inches above the foundation floor. Cut around any obstacles and install a button fastener 6 to 12 inches from the cut. Overlap at least 6 inches when going around corners and keep the seams 4 to 6 inches away from the corner to make taping easier. Fold the bottom of the liner so that it lays neatly on the floor. Seal all seams with white or foil tape. Floor liner installation: before laying down the floor liner, wrap any support columns, extending 6 inches or more up the column and ensuring that the seams are taped. Tape one side of the double-sided seam lock onto the portion of the wall liner that extends onto the floor. Roll out the floor liner, overlapping the excess wall liner by at least 6 inches to make a more secure seal and to make taping easier. Peel the wax layer off the other side of the seam lock and press the floor liner down, ensuring that it sticks. Seal each row, first with the double-sided seam lock, overlapping seams by at least 6 inches, and then with the white tape. Continue until the entire floor is covered, cutting around any obstacles, such as a sump pit or support columns, as needed. Where the liner lays around any support columns, use the radon shield sealer or seam lock under the floor liner and then tape the liner down with the white tape. Apply the radon shield G2. Cut the tip off the caulk tube. Break the inner seal with the puncture tool and insert the tube into the caulk gun. Apply the radon shield by folding down the top of the liner, above the fasteners, and apply a bead of the sealer to the foundation wall, pressing the liner onto the sealer as you go. Once you have applied the radon shield behind all lengths of the wall liner, the process will be complete. Thank you for using Emecole Metro's Emecole Crawlspace encapsulation system. We recognize that no two crawl spaces are alike, and we supply a number of liners and drain fabrics to fit your needs. To find the best material for your crawl space, check out our website or call to speak with one of our technical advisors. Be sure to check out our other innovative products and instructional videos.